Hey guys, today is September 26th. It is now 2:38, and yeah, it has been pretty busy this morning. I have one live scan, and then one notary, and then one customer called me and said she's gonna email me the blueprint files. So yeah, I did it. Two blueprints right here. So yeah, like total of 36 pages, so which is good. And then funny thing is, it printed 36 pages, right? And on the last page, and when it cuts, my paper went out. My paper ran out. So it was exactly this. It was exactly 36 pages. So I find that kind of funny and pretty cool that it used my whole roll of bond paper. So yeah, I'm glad that I have a new live scan customer. So this customer, here, hold on, let me see myself. Okay, so this customer, I don't know how she find me, but yeah, I don't know how she find me, but anyway, I'm glad that she came to my store. And then because last week on the 21st I did my first live scan, and I was kind of nervous, but this time I'm more comfortable to type everything in, and I got the slider for the driver license. So once you slide it, all the documents, all the files will go into the system. So yeah, so I did the live scan and everything went pretty well. And if you guys have a live scan in your store, I would suggest you guys get this, the corn on husker lotion. Yeah, this is very useful for dry skin. So yeah, my customer, she had a pretty dry skin, so she used this, and then yeah, the fingerprint reads very well. And then it's better that you also have a box of glove, so because there are times that you need to help the customer to put down the pressure on the hand, and you don't want it. You want to look professional, and yeah, you want to look professional and not touching their hand without gloves, right? So I would suggest those two. And then what else? I did a notary. It was quick notary, and then yeah, just two blueprints. So yeah, those two blueprints took me like 40 minutes. I mean, it printed on its own, but I have to get it organized, and then and I don't know why the file that she sent me was 18 pages, right? And two of the pages was in different format. So the file size, I mean, two of those pages were created in letter size. So those two came out very blurry. So I have to print it separately, because on the photo zoomer, it identifies that as a letter size document. So the rest 16 pages were okay. Those are 24 by 36. So, but you know what? It's weird. When I zoom in, the image looks crystal clear. But once it enlarged, it's blurry. So I have to reprint those two pages separately using just PDF, and then I just print it out. But yeah, I got it working. It's just weird. I don't know if that happens to you guys. If you guys have photo zoomer, I'm gonna reach out to them and then ask why that the document was, it can zoom in like 400-500% and it looks still sharp, but once you print out, it's blurry using photo zoomer software. So if you guys do know that, let me know if that ever happened to you guys, or what other software do you guys print using for blueprint. Let me know, because because the quality on it, when it prints out, I can tell that it's a little bit blurry on the photo zoomer software. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do today, do something a little bit different. And I want to show you guys what I do on my spare time. I would go onto Google Map and then search all the populated area sometimes, and then search the postal service near me or near that state or near that city, and then what was that? Okay, anyway, I would search the mail service or postal service near a populated or very like downtown, or let's say Philadelphia, New York, Texas, Arizona, Oregon. Every state you can type in mail service, and then basically all the independent store will pop up, and I will go. There are thousands of pack and ship stores. So on my free time, or whenever I thought of it, I would do that and then go to their store online, not by physical calling them or check. I will go check on their website, and then I would check pictures. So I would I will basically check their store and see what service they offer, and then their layout, their design, their equipment, and then their layouts, their basically everything in their store, because the owner will publish the photo, and I would check them out and then see what I can improve, or maybe the service they provide and I don't have it, maybe I can add that to my store. So that's just something I would do in my free time. So I want to show you guys one store that has been on my mind, and I will show you guys why I think that store is doing a fabulous job. I believe Mason from Pack and Ship University, he mentioned it. It's a store called Postal Route. So yeah, let me double check. That store's name is called Postal Route, and then let me show you guys on the screen. So this store is called Postal Route, and then let's check their photos inside the store. They basically set it up as it looks like a postal office, right? And then they have this long lines, and then look their exterior. It looks like a post office to me, and then but it's not. They're private owned, independent. It's not a franchise, and they did really well with the store inside. And then they even have stations, like 3 or 4 stations, basically like teller, like a bank teller. And then yeah, I really think they're doing really well. And this is the aisle, selling bunch of gifts, and yeah, look at this. They have shipping, gift center, sale packing, and then doing prints right here. They're using photo zoomer as well right here. And then yeah, label and prepaid drop off right here. And yeah, they're selling a lot of mugs and some antique. And look at this, a gift shop. It's amazing gift shop. It's like a flower shop, but basically gift. And then what else? They have this station here. I think it's for you to sit down and do some, right, if you need to do work here or something. I don't know if this space is for rent or not, or any customer can just come in and sit there and do their work. And look at this. Oh, wow, all these mugs. It's amazing. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's for rent. You can just come here and do work. And in 2023, they are the top 100 UPS ASO authorized shipping outlet. Yeah, no doubt. Oh, and some plushie for sale. And what else? Oh, we buy textbook, video games, calculators. So they do buy basically, like, yeah, they're doing pretty much everything. They buy textbook back, and then video games. And wow, during the holidays they do decorations like this. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Oh wow, look. Oh, the mailbox store, look. It's got over 500 of them. So yeah, I believe this is the entrance, and there's a lobby where you can just sit, or oh no, I think this is the entrance. I don't know whether this is probably the side door or back door. Yeah, and their parking lot is big, and there's a back door. If you look at it, yep, there's a back door, even with the loading dock for mail, for UPS and USPS, FedEx. Yeah, basically this whole building, it's like customized for them, or they probably built it from the ground up. I'm not really sure, but I think Mason, he mentioned something about he's gonna have a meeting with the owner. Yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, this is just something that I thought I share, and then that's what I do, and you can see how other stores doing and what we can do to improve to be like them someday, hopefully. So yeah. Okay guys, so that was Postal route. That I think it's really cool. Their store is really nice, so you guys can go check it out. Or I mean, I already showed you guys, but you guys can do the same. Go check out other owners pack and ship store, and then you know, see what they did with their store, and then you know, maybe it will inspire us or inspire you guys to do something different or something similar to that. Okay, yeah, yeah, I think that's it for today. I only got seven UPS package going out, and then my FedEx and Express already went out today. So oh, I will check on FedEx website. FedEx just called me about something. FedEx Insight, yeah, FedEx Insight, something about events tracking. But I'm gonna look into it, and then if I find anything that is interesting, I'll share it tomorrow or someday in the later on video. Okay, all right, that's it for today, and thank you guys again for watching my video. Yeah, if you want to support me, buy me a coffee, hit the like, subscribe. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.